Hey everybody, if your Facebook is not loading on your mobile device and you're trying out solutions or looking out for solutions, in today's video we will be guiding you to the process. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, you can go ahead and access your internet connection. Go to settings for that, open it up, and then once you open up your device's settings, you may head over and look out for the connections option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on connections, it should open up this space right here with the connection that you currently have, for example, Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you can try and make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection or that your cellular data is active or working and do so. You can try out the solution. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go ahead and look out for the option to restart the Facebook app and your device. So if you have opened up your Facebook application, you may close it up completely, close it up like this, and wait for a bit. And also try restarting your device. Long press on the power button for that, and then look out for the restart option from the menu, and then go ahead and tap on it and confirm it up and try out that method, see if it works. Apart from that, you can try updating the Facebook application itself. Head over to Google Play Store for that. Go ahead and open it up. Open up Play Store. And once you open up Play Store, you can head over and update your Facebook application. So go ahead and search for Facebook. Look out for the search. And from there, go to the top and type in Facebook. And once you find Facebook, the results that you're looking for, you can just go ahead and look out for the update option. So tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should be finding an update option. Instead of open, if there is any kind of update available, you can tap on the button if there is any update available and do so. And at last but not least, you can try clearing apps, cache, or data. You can hold up Facebook application for that and go to the info section at the top. And from there, go ahead and look out for the storage option. So scroll down, find the storage option, and then go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you can look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and there we go. And that's it. And that's it. These are the solutions you can try out. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.